If you're using Zabbix for some while, and let's say you started with a version 4.0 or whatever, probably follow the newsletter, all the social networks and other stuff, and you see that Zabbix releases some new templates, let's say for AWS or Azure monitoring or GCP cost monitoring on AWS or whatever else. But the thing is that if you just live through the Zabbix and upgrade your versions for the latest minor version, then you migrate to Zabbix 6.2, 6.4 or whatever, you're actually not getting those templates inside your system. You're just upgrading your monitoring solution, but it has nothing to do with the templates themselves. So if you want to get all the latest templates that Zabbix currently have, you need to download and import them separately. And the first thing where you probably could look is webpage zabbix.com. Of course, you go to the product page, integrations, and here you will find all the templates that you currently can find for the Zabbix. Mostly these are like approved by Zabbix and verified by the Zabbix integration team. But the thing is, it's like pretty difficult to search for something. How can you know what should you search if you don't know what you're looking at? You just want to see what are the latest templates that Zabbix has to offer out of the box. So the better place than the integration page could be going to the GitHub, where you can find all the sources of the Zabbix and also the templates. So in official Zabbix GitHub repository, you need to search for the folder templates, and this is the place where you will find all of them. As you can see, they're also grouped as server, SAN, Power APC, operating system, some network stuff, media, databases, cloud, and CCTV, and application. As example, if we would go for the database, you'll find quite a big list of currently available database monitoring templates with a Zabbix. And that it is like for all the other stuff. You go to the operating system, you find HP UX, Linux, Mac OS, OpenBSD, and other stuff. Again, another very important thing is like, okay, you decided I want to go with I need an AWS monitoring. And if you need AWS monitoring, by the way, I have a video about how you can configure that. I will link it in the description or just add a card on top of the video. So let's say we decided that we need AWS EC2, and okay, we see this EC2 by HTTP, we see some overview of the template, and we might get confused because requirements, okay, we follow through and we see that the minimal supported version is 7.0 and higher. And you might think like, okay, I am running Zabbix 6.4, so this template is not for me, which actually is not true. If you would go up and go back to the Zabbix and change the master branch, let's say to 6.0, then go again back to the templates, to our cloud, AWS, EC2, and now as you can see the Zabbix version 6.0 and higher. So this number is actually taken from the version of the branch that we're looking on right now, and right now it is 6.0. If you just open GitHub, it will be the latest, as it was previously 7.0, which is not even released as a stable version yet. So don't be too fast judging that, okay, this template will not suit me. I would instead recommend to, before searching for whatever templates you might need, open the branch of the version that you actually have. So if you have, let's say 5.0, click here and then go to the templates and see what Zabbix has to offer for you.